Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create blue smoky eye makeup look, and this is the look which we are going to create today. For that I am using Morphe James Charles eyeshadow palette. I have already applied primer on my eyelid, so my eyes are ready for makeup. I am using tea eyeshadow color to create a transition with the help of Real Technique eyeshadow brush. From outer direction to inward direction, I am just tabbing it out so it creates a good crease. Next I am using Benny eyeshadow color and applying to corner of my eyelid in circular motion with the help of a crease brush and dragging to inward direction. On top of that I am using cola color with the same brush and applying on top of my transition color. I will be covering half of my eyelid with the help of this brush and the same eyeshadow color. I'm applying in a circular motion so that it does not give me patchy effect. I want a really smooth and steady eyeshadow on my eyelid, hence I'm doing in a circular motion. I'm blending the shadow to inward direction, so this will provide good smoky effect to my eye and help to create good transition also. I'm blending the eyeshadow in a circular motion from outward direction to inward direction so that my eyeshadow get blend properly and not leave my eyelid patchy. So next I'm using Cape Cod eyeshadow and applying to inner corner of my eyelid with the help of a small crease brush. And this eyeshadow has little bit of shimmer particle in it, so this provide me a little bit of glam. Next I'm using Brother eyeshadow color. This is I would say sky blue, which I am applying center of my eyelid, and this has really enhanced my eye makeup as you can see and provide good smoky effect also. For lower lash line I'm using Benny and Cola. I have mixed both the color with the help of small flat brush and applying to my lower lash line and dragging to outward direction and blending it out. Next I'm using Marc Jacobs eyeliner pencil. This is a really thin eyeliner which I will be using for creating a little bit of wing to my outer corner and inner corner. I'm not going to apply full eyeliner today. Next I'm curling my lashes with the help of curler, and on top of that I'm applying Benefit Real Lash Mascara. This is a really good mascara. This lifts your lashes very well and open up your eyes. On top of that I'm applying fake lashes. These lashes are from Adril, and to provide natural effect I have applied a little bit of mascara, and this is the complete look. Do not forget to give thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching once again. Your likes really gives me motivation to do more videos. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye bye.